Hello viewers, in this episode we will be talking about the topic that has left everyone shocked. The answer of the question that everyone wants to know, the reason behind Sushant's suicide. On 14 June 2020, the Kai Po Che actor was found dead hanging from ceiling fan in his home Bandra, Mumbai. According to reports, the actor was suffering from depression from about 6 months. After the actor's demise, social media is flooded with just common question, that is, who is responsible for the actor's death. People alleged that Hindi film industry was always been discriminatory against outsiders. While star kids are welcomed, others are not treated equally. In a short span of time, Sushant became very successful, starting from television industry to Hindi film industry.
हम तो हमेशा से यहाँ हैं। पुष्पें हमारी सेवा करती रही, श्रद्धा में हम उनके शामिल हुए, कंधों पे बिठा के तीर्थ कराया है। पर ये बात हमारी आपकी नहीं है, ये पूरे केदारनाथ की बात है।
Veteran actor Prakash Raj has opened up on the practice of nepotism in the film industry and blamed it for the untimely demise of the actor. Actress Kangana Ranaut recently opened up about nepotism in the film industry, and director Shekhar Kapoor took to Twitter to write more about it.
सिंह राजपूत की मौत ने हम सबको झंझोड़ के रख दिया है, मगर कुछ लोग जो इस चीज में माहिर हैं कि कैसे पैरेलल नैरेटिव चलाना है, वो इस तरह से चला रहे हैं कि हाँ, जिनका दिमाग कमजोर होता है वो ये डिप्रेशन में आते हैं और सुसाइड वगैरह कमिट करते हैं। जो बंदे ने स्टैनफोर्ड की स्कॉलरशिप, वो रैंक होल्डर है इन हिज एंट्रेंस फॉर इंजीनियरिंग, उसका दिमाग कमजोर कैसे हो सकता है? अगर आप देखें उनके कुछ लास्ट पोस्ट, वो क्लियरली कह रहे हैं कि लोगों को बैक कर रहे हैं कि प्लीज मेरी फिल्म में देखो, मेरा कोई गॉड फादर नहीं है, मुझे निकाल दिया जाएगा इस इंडस्ट्री से। अपने इंटरव्यू में वो जाहिर कर रहे हैं कि मुझे क्यों नहीं ये इंडस्ट्री अपनाती है, आई फील लाइक अ लेफ्ट ओवर। तो क्या इसमें इस हादसे की कोई बुनियाद नहीं है? किस तरह से अगर किसी और स्टार किड ने इस तरह से 6-7 के साल के स्पैन में काय पोचे जैसे उनको कोई डेब्यू की कोई एक्नॉलेजमेंट, कोई अवार्ड नहीं मिला। छिछोरे इज द बेस्ट फिल्म एंड द बेस्ट डायरेक्टर, उनकी फिल्म को कोई एक्नॉलेजमेंट नहीं।
In many interviews earlier, Sushant has always said he does not have any godfather in the industry and it is hard to survive. According to reports, after the film Chichore, Sushant was intentionally rejected for 7 more movies.
अरे अन्नी नहीं, अनिरुद्ध।
हॉस्टल लाइफ है ये भैया। यहाँ पे देश पांडे का डेस्पो हो जाता है, पटवर्धन का पट्टू हो जाता है, चौधरी का
हाँ ठीक है।
From cricketer Mahendra Singh Dhoni to Sushant's co-stars, the news of his demise have left everyone shattered. On the other hand, Karan Johar and Alia Bhatt have been trolled recently for their tweets. Recently, a lawyer moved a criminal complaint against 8 persons of the Hindi film industry, including Hindi film star Salman Khan, director-producer Karan Johar, in a local court for the demise of the actor. Others named in the complaint are Aditya Chopra, Sajid Nadiawala, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, Bhushan Kumar, Ekta Kapoor and director Dinesh. These complaints claimed that these persons did not let Sushant's movies get released under a conspiracy, and the late actor was not even invited to film functions because of these people. Recently, Sushant's best friend took to Instagram and wrote about him. According to her, Sushant hated fake friends. He was a fighter. Is nepotism the reason behind Sushant's depression? After all this, will it be easy to opt career in Hindi film industry? With all these questions, it's time to wind up the show for today. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, stay healthy and subscribe to Odisha Post Live.